Hope you guys are staying safe.
Hello, good morning. We are going to do a science project this week here. And what we're going to do is we're going to see if this paper towel gets wet while submerged into a glass and we put it in the water. So what we do, first thing we do, we have a bucket of water. We have a glass, a regular drinking glass that you do. We have a napkin. We take the napkin and we're going to stuff it all the way to the bottom of the glass. Now the point of this science project is to see if the napkin gets wet while it was immersed into water. So here we go, guys. All the way to the bottom. Do you see how the cup is all the way to the bottom? Now we're going to bring it out. And are you ready? We're going to pull the paper towel out. And guess what? We have a dry paper towel. Alright, that's the science project. The reason how they work is the air takes up the space. When in the water, the air becomes trapped by the water pressing up from the below. And the glass on all sides. The air is lighter than water. As long as the air can't escape from the cup, so the water can't get into the glass and the paper towel stays dry. So we're going to try it again, guys. Alright, I'm going to put the paper towel back into the cup. You push it all the way to the bottom. You immerse the cup into the water. It's in the water all the way. But right now there's no water inside the cup because the air is in there. We're going to pull it out. Okay, you think we got a dry paper towel, guys? Let's see. Uh-oh. Here is a dry paper towel. So, if you want to try this at home, you need a bucket of water, a regular glass that you drink with, and a paper towel. So, when you try it, you enjoy. And remember, the air cannot get into the cup when submerged into the water. That's what keeps the paper towel dry. Thank you. Enjoy.
And this is from here. Hope you all are staying safe and well. Hope to see you all soon. Today we will be doing a science project with some Sprite, which is already in my bottle. Yes, I tested the project out, so it looks pretty cool. So all I'm going to do is add some more raisins to my Sprite and watch them as they dance. You will see them rise as the gas from the Sprite pushes them up. So they look like they are jumping jelly beans, or as you would say, jumping raisins as they rise, and they all look like they're dancing.
Or dancing raisins.
Whoop, there goes one.
Right. Let's show the camera. Whoa.
And just watch as it goes, and I'm adding more as I go. Okay, you all.
And it tastes really good, by the way.
Yes, my daughter tasted it. So just watch, and I'm gonna just watch for a few more seconds and see if you see another one rise. Zoe, allow them to rise, please.
That one's rising. That one looks like it's rising. Oh!
Oh, they
Here's
rise and they
one.
fall as they dance, okay? As the bubbles.
They also spin.
You see the bubbles rising to the top? and you'll see the raisins rise to the top. That's so cool.
So do the front flip.
Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Something easy. Have a good
So
day.
for my science activity, I have an activity that is called hidden colors. So the materials that you are going to need are baking soda, food coloring, vinegar, something to put your vinegar in, a cupcake tin, and a spoon. So first what you want to do is grab your food coloring, and you are going to add 2 to 3 drops into the cupcake tin. Next, you are going to grab your baking soda with your spoon, and you want to have enough of the baking soda to cover the drops of food coloring. So just like this. Next, what you want to do is grab your vinegar. Now this is the cool part. I really want you to see if you can listen to anything that's happening, and I also want you to see closely if you can see any changes when I put the vinegar on top of the baking soda. So let's get started. So what did you guys hear? I heard a lot of hissing. I heard a lot of fizzing going on, a lot of bubbles happening. And I wonder, why does that happen? Well, I'll tell you why. So baking soda is known as a base. Baking soda is used for baking and for cleaning purposes. So baking soda is a solid, whereas vinegar is known as an acid. So when we put these two ingredients together, we get a gas, and that's where we hear a lot of hissing, and we see a lot of the bubbles happening. And why are we getting a lot of bubbles? Well, the reason why we're getting a lot of bubbles is because it's a gas. So it's releasing something into the air, which is called carbon dioxide. Did you know when we inhale, when we breathe in and breathe out, we're breathing out carbon dioxide, just like these two chemicals do when they are put together. They get a chemical reaction where it makes gas and it releases gas into the air, which is called carbon dioxide. I thought this activity was really cool, especially because once you put your food coloring in and the baking soda on top, your little ones won't know what the color is until they put the vinegar in. So it'll be a really nice surprise. I hope you enjoyed this activity, and we'll see you soon. Bye!